warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, meet up with me again. My name is Anggi Yusiana Sari from PGSD 22A. So in this video, I will share stories about pets. Hello guys, so this is Lily, my cat. Say hi Lily, hi guys. You like it? You've seen the video before, right? Well, that is my pet, which is a cat. Her name is Lily. Why do I keep a cat? Want to know why? Let's see the following video. Having a pet can make your life more interesting. Well, are you looking for a pet? If you are interested in that, cats are a very popular choice. Why? Can you guess? Because they are wonderful. Cats are the cutest animals in the world. Why? Firstly, they are beautiful because they have soft fur, a cute face, and are friendly. Secondly, cats are entertaining because they can make you laugh with the things they do. Also, they are fun to play with because you can teach them to do tricks. On the other hand, cats can cause problems. Firstly, they only sleep and eat because they are too lazy to do anything else. Secondly, they can fight with other cats because they fight over territory. Furthermore, you cannot leave them alone all day because they require company. In conclusion, in my opinion, despite their bad points, cats still make the best and cutest pets. It's great fun teaching them the things and tricks we want, and they can be very entertaining companions. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.